we going to roll, or are you already rolling?
We're rolling.
I think you're already rolling. Okay. First of all, we're going to do a woodland type pot, and in the bottom there's only one hole, like all clay pots. So here's some I prepared earlier, some crocks, and I'm going to make a little wigwam in the middle so the soil doesn't block it. And then I'll put this on top. This is leca pebbles. I better stop them moving. Okay, and then I put some soil in. Oh,
Okay. Break time.
Come back to that. Okay, what's going to happen is I'll put the soil in, put the grit and soil in, and now I've got some grow more here that was on the table. Here it is.
There it is.
There it is.
How did I say that now?
It's Growmore, which is 777 NPK, finely balanced fertiliser for using this time of year because it works quickly and establishes the roots. I can't even pick it all up. I'll sprinkle that in.
Ow!
Okay, I'll put that in the top.
That's
Only a little bit,
trolleys.
don't need a lot.
It's
I'm
where
going to
you
use
always
this
put them into your ankles.
Euphorbia
fishing rod?
Fishing rod.
Silver Swan.
No.
Don't know this one, but it's very pretty.
No, there's no pet shop down there now, is it?
What?
Pardon me.
No, I was just saying to my mum,
That's
I
soup.
remember going there.
The pet shop's closed, isn't it?
Turn it round the
I'm
other
trying to
way.
think of what's
Right, that looks pretty. And then Dicentra, the bleeding heart. This is a pink one, a normal one.
pet shops. There must be some pet shops around this.
Where's the dustbin gone?
Pet shop.
Sorry about that. Just knock some of this soil off. Hardly anything here. That's pretty. I like this one. Apple green leaves. Very attractive. And then I'm going to put in scabious. Not really a woodland plant, but it's very pretty. Pink one, quite nice. The dustbin's not here. I think at this rate, we get them all in. There you go. That's pretty, like that. Don't want that in. What else can I use? Something taller.
What do you do fish?
One of these erythrums. The perennial wallflower. Flowers right through the summer. And as long as you get sun or part shade, it's fine. So, turn this round. That's pretty there. So you've got this little pinky bit coming up in here. Just need a bit more soil.
Live fish. No, where are you buying it? Oh.
And size. Okay, Tiarella. No, it's not
you can see
Tiarella.
sweet
It's
peas from outside,
it looks
yeah.
like Tiarella.
Seeds,
It's the wrong colour.
Those guys,
It's going to be Hooker.
it's a bit like that.
Not sure about my tea.
It's, I mean, it's supposed to be quite
Got special,
sweet, and it's supposed to turn from next week.
Bits and bobs in it.
The temperature-wise.
I won't drink that at the end.
So I would give it one more week because we still got them on the cover on purpose,
Yeah,
so they don't get caught at night.
okay. So maybe I should.
Put it on that side. Contrast on that pink. Okay. I'm running out of things to put in. That's at the front. we could go with the drumstick. Perennial denticulata,
Yeah, well, it's like which one?
drumstick plants.
Really split these up in the plant. Obviously, you
I
can't
quite like
take
that.
them apart when they're that close together, but you can tease them apart. If you like that.
Right, we need to take a break. I need to get some more soil and some more plants, all right? Okay,
Yes.
I've changed my mind. I'll put this in behind first, but decided this is a little bit bushier and taller, so I put it at the back because it doesn't really have much of a flower
This
on,
early season, that means
but it is a nice short evergreen. Then I put this heuchera in front of it with the limey coloured leaves. I'll turn it around a bit for you. It looks so much nicer all of a sudden. I'm contemplating putting this white one.
It's going
in as
to
well.
like 18,
Sure, yeah.
19 degrees.
Ooh, it's well rooted.
Sorry, was it 2 or
Pull
3
that down
plates?
again. And then I'm going to try and squeeze it in
Yeah.
there. So I'm going to have to make a little space.
Everybody will turn up short and rollerblades, you know. It does it. London turns into LA all of a sudden overnight.
Bring this round.
Well, we're quite sun trapping.
Yeah, that's got it
London
nicely.
as well, so it does do it.
Yeah, it's good.
Right, side of that. Then I'm going to put this as alpine phlox. This flowers all the way until the end of July, or maybe a little bit longer.
Harsh.
Low growing,
Grim.
pretty little thing.
Grim.
Slight scent, quite nice. And that'll tumble over the side. That's pretty.
Do you like these little fellows?
I'm going to squeeze in,
Poppies.
because I always do. It's alpine strawberry.
There's a 50-50 chance they might.
Has lots of flowers,
But, you know,
very
if you're
tiny,
sensible,
tiny little
you won't
strawberries. Very sweet.
Because because they'll,
That's quite a nice one. Always
they'll clump out.
put something unusual in a pot.
A lot of people go like,
Then where's my?
It's coming. Yeah, I got some other.
I've got woodruff,
but I always found
Gallium
poppies, I mean, I grew up
odorata,
with them. They used to
low
be
growing,
like
tiny little
used to be
white
the old
flower.
days. Poppies,
in
all those browns and
around about
sweet
May.
ones, take all the flowers off.
And it also says on the label
And then they're
that you
right.
can add a few leaves to tea or wine for a sense of summer hay.
New Zealand.
Yeah, that's interesting.
First flower.
And it's low growing
These girls used to
and
work.
evergreen. Quite an evergreen little plant, very tough.
They were harsh, man.
That go in
Finished.
front of the
What's your
Ground level and like.
drumstick.
I got quite
and
not
like,
standing up
God,
too
that's
straight.
back, like,
Pull that round.
A complete reflowering.
That looks
I
alright.
did it the first time.
I'm not going to get everything in.
Take all the seed pods off.
Otherwise,
I don't think I'll put that in because it'll get damaged.
putting up all the
He can go in.
foliage and they don't really.
Yeah,
I'm not putting this in.
it's just like,
It's not really a woodland plant, sorry.
it might all make sense.
But
really.
I like this Ajuga.
It's just that
This is pretty.
no one's
Tough
seen
as
that
old
one.
boots.
Everyone wants to look perfect. in colours.
Flowers in the spring, bright blue, grows about that high, so about 6 to 8 inches high. Take a bit
Well,
more off
it's
the
also-
bottom.
Sometimes it's not like you sort of believe in plants.
Very
You know
matted.
you get an easier life if you do it.
Well, yeah. I don't believe in it at all. Yeah, absolutely. I know what I need.
I'm going to cheat. This doesn't harm the plant. In fact, it makes it grow stronger.
Easier life.
Well, it's
Not an easy life, an easier.
easier life. I don't mean easy, but easier.
Ajuga with the rose coloured leaf, quite nice.
Enjoy your week, the rest of it.
I
Bye-bye.
don't know. I won't put that in. I'll put this in, and I'm not putting this in. This is lovely, but I think it's going to get lost in there. It's an Euphorbia, dog's tooth violet, very tiny little cup-shaped flower. Yeah, attractive. I'm going to run this in the front. Vinca, periwinkle.
I don't do full sun. Yeah, that's just a misnomer. Someone's put the wrong label in, but they literally they don't want
bit more
full
off.
shade, that variety. Their half shade's fine.
Okay, I've got a very shady.
There you
So
go.
you want more of the oriental forms,
Okay.
orientalized forms. You know the one with the. I'll show you. It's like
Yeah, that's so much prettier.
I've tried all sorts of things with this spot.
And then I'll just fill in with some soil around the edges. Hello.
Hi there.
Did you want serving?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, fire away.
How much is a piece?
They are troughs. How much are they?
Yeah.
That's a question.
It is.
I'll have a look underneath. It might be inside, written inside.
Should be inside, right?
Well, maybe. I'll have a look for you.
Okay, I'll take a look.
Yeah, come back.
Oh, sorry mate, what's the card to go?
I can do that anytime.
Probably
Are we
has
rolling?
not been there for a while.
Right,
It
I'm
much
just
does it to me when I go to
filling in
different
with
places.
the
Yeah,
soil.
the green button.
Push it down well. Don't want any air bubbles in there to cause trouble at later time.
It's only, they're only looking.
Get a bit more in there.
Okay, thank you very much.
Takes quite a bit, you know. Give the customers their money's worth in weight. You know. Okay, that's it.
And this you've got for special Easter present
I'll
at
give it a
25
good
each.
soaking.
I still see the card. It's not our rules. It's their rules.
Let's go look good.
71.
It'll settle down soon. Okay, that's all for today. But join us again soon.